The real reason you're stuck, the real reason 99% of people on this planet are stuck, because it's just 1% which is successful and gets what they want. And this is so major. You have to listen to the video till the end of the video because you will understand only then what I'm saying. Don't interrupt in the middle because you're going to miss the major part. This is what we're going to be talking about today. You're stuck. You're not getting your manifestations. I'm telling you why. I'm going to tell you exactly, specifically why and what you have to do. I explained it in a group coaching today and everyone understood. And I think we just moved to another level. Before we start, I am in the middle of my Millionaire Identity Shift program. It's going brilliantly. People are getting stuff done. People are getting results. You need to be a part of it. I will teach you how to embody the persona and feeling and everything else of a millionaire so that the money can come to you, because that's the only time when it will. You need to get on the wait list, which is in the description of the video. So click on it and sign up. And now, why 99% of people are stuck? I keep teaching you that the only thing you need to manifest anything is extreme JR style self-confidence. I always get what I want. End of story. Nothing to discuss. But before you reach this level, if you can go straight to this level, please do that. It's going to be awesome. You're going to start manifesting unbelievable stuff so quickly, so fast. It's going to be brilliant. So go for it. But if you can't, the people who are this brilliantly self-confident and get everything they want, they had to do one thing before they became this confident. Because, of course, it's a training game. And the thing they've done is, and what gave them the pride to be able to be super self-confident, is learning how to make decisions. But hang on, you don't know what I'm talking about. You don't know what I'm talking about, so keep listening. Because it's not as easy as you think. All millionaires and all billionaires are masters at making decisions super fast, in seconds. But when I tell you make a decision, you think, okay, I decide whether to go right or left. That's not what I'm saying. And it clicked today that that's what you're hearing, but that's not what I mean. Making a decision means I made a decision and I'm never backing off of it. I'm making a decision to be the person who deserves millions, who deserves the love of their life, who stands and demands and commands universe and reality to deliver, who is the person, the version of themselves who can sustain millions and love of their life. And that's where it ends. That's the only reality I'm choosing, and this is where it ends. There is no other option. Forever. That's called making a decision. It doesn't stop with, okay, I made a decision that I'm going to have a love of my life and I'm going to be a millionaire. And then bills come and, oh, I don't know how to pay bills. Oh, and he didn't call me. No, no, no. What do I do now? No, no, no. You didn't make a decision. That's not called making a decision. You made step one of making a decision. You attempted to make a decision. But making a decision in the vocabulary of successful people, millionaires and billionaires, and people who are in love for the rest of their life, is you make a decision. This is what I want. This is who I am. This is mine. And you never back off. And even if you wobble, even if you have bad moment, you come back to, I made a decision that this is mine and this is the only reality I will accept and tolerate. I will not accept and tolerate anything else. And that's the deciding moment. That is when you're going to get what you want. It's not that, but Yana, I made a decision. Okay, great. So what are you doing now? Yeah, but I'm struggling a bit. I don't know if I'm going to get it. No, you didn't make a decision. You took step one of making a decision and you screwed up the rest. So once and for all, making a decision means I say what I want and I stick with it and I do not tolerate and accept any other reality than a reality where I already have it, where I am the version of myself which can have it and sustain it. I will tolerate nothing else. Nothing else exists for me. That's decision made. And that's what will give you everything you want in life. I hope you understand it now. Go on and do it. Fingers crossed. Bye bye.